Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add GIFs and images on OLED screen on your APEX Pro SteelSeries keyboard. So let's get started. What you'll need to do is basically have a SteelSeries engine and connect your APEX Pro keyboard. Then click on your keyboard right here in the engine, and now just go to OLED and settings. As you can see, right here you can edit OLED image, or you can just select and paint if you want to. But now what I'll do is just click on the GIF again and click upload from the file. I will leave some links down below in the description where you'll be able to get some GIFs. And now, as you can see, I have GIF file right here. If I open it, it will basically open the GIF right here. And now what you'll need to do is click done. You can actually customize it right here a little bit. Then click done, click save, and now you will get this GIF on your keyboard. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.